Gabriel, Gabriel, what is that?
There's pigs over
Is that water buffalo?
There's pigs. Gabriel, look at the little piggies. Look at the piggies.
Campbell's response to all this is actually quite funny.
Yeah. National Geographic fact. Water buffaloes are the deadliest animal on the planet.
You want your passing?
I would get your hand back.
Parker, let me get that again.
Oh man.
Hey Parker, want to feed the water buffalo? Hey Terry, wait just a minute. I got to get something. Wait just a minute. Terry, come here, Buffalo. Water buffalo, come here and see.
Let Parker just hand it in your body.
Wait just a minute. Let him get here.
Gabriel, is this still
Here you go. Here now. Wait till he gets here. Wait till he gets here. Now I gotta pick. Are you ready, Corey?
I'm ready.
All right.
Okay. Feed him, Parker.
Feed him, Parker.
No. Parker.
Feed this.
Put it in your mouth. Put it in his mouth.
The water buffalo. You got
Right there.
You got to put it in his
Put it in his
mouth.
mouth.
Here.
Put it in his mouth.
Here you go. Put it in his mouth.
Put it in
Feed
his
it.
mouth. Can you put it?
Can you do it?
Yeah!
Good job! Yay!
That's awesome.
Hey Gabriel, do you want to? Does Gabriel want to feed the water buffalo?
I think we got it because y'all told us about it.
You have like a little bit of the nicer one. You have the T3i.
Hey, do you want? Does he want to stop and feed the water buffalo? Well, tell us when to stop. Oh, look at him! Isn't he cute?
Terry's gonna.
Oh,
Good. Look at the donkey.
there's a donkey. All right, he's gonna go around us because we're taking our sweet time. Yeah.
You see the donkey? Look! Right here! You want to give him some?
Gabriel, look. Look at the giant zebra dragon.
Don't put your mouth on that, buddy.
Yeah, don't put your mouth on it.
Or your hands in your mouth.
Watch this.
Look at the horsey.
Do you want to do that, Gabriel? Gabriel, do you want to feed it?
Horsey?
You want to feed the horsey?
No.
No?
You sure?
Save some for the giraffe.
Yeah, the giraffes are right up here.
You want to be with Daddy? Buffalo?
Buffalo?